Ticket 73, thank you for your participation. 11 Sugar Delta separation 30 Yankee, clear set.
Charlie Echo 01, mobile station call.
Yeah, separation again, the station with the separation.
26 Alpha Tango 705, 705.
Okay, 26 Alpha Tango 705, 705, your 5 by 9, 59, your progressive number is 417, 417, QSL.
Roger, roger, thank you very much for the 417. Good luck with your activation and your 10 dB overman into the city of London, roger.
You're also 10 dBs in Puerto Rico, 73, have a nice awake, okay? This is 11 Sugar Delta separation at 30 Yankee, clear set.
Charlie Echo 01, mobile station call.
Again?
26 Charlie Echo 01, mobile station.
26 Delta Tango, 26 Delta Tango again. Roger, 26 Delta Tango 1070, you're also 5 by 9 in Puerto Rico, good morning. 4418, number 4, number 1, number 8, your progressive number. 73, have a nice week, thank you very much. 11 Sugar Delta, separation 30 Yankee, clear set.
Charlie Echo 01, mobile station. Charlie Echo 01, in the mobile.
Charlie Echo 01, Charlie Echo 01 again.
26 Charlie Echo 01, and I'm a mobile station, southeast of England.
You're Charlie, 26 Charlie Echo 01, the mobile station, you're 5 by 7, 57, your progressive number 422, 422, QSL.
Yeah, copy Ford 22422. You're also a 5 and 9, southeast of England.
Thank you for the 5 by 5, 73, have a nice week, okay? 11 Sugar Delta, separation 30 Yankee, clear set.
Awesome.
16 ending 16.